We have completed matrix inversion method and method using Cramer's rule to solve a system of linear equations. But these two methods can be applied only when the coefficient matrix is non-singular and coefficient matrix should be a square matrix. There is another method known as Gaussian elimination method. This method can be applied even when the coefficient matrix is singular and the coefficient matrix is a rectangular matrix. Here there is a system of linear equations in three variables and three equations are there. Now this is what is known as augmented matrix with the coefficients 4, 3, 6, 1, 5, 7, 2, 9, 1. With the coefficient, you combine this 25, 13, 1. 25, 13, 1. After the combining of this known as augmented matrix. On this, we have to do elementary transformation and reduce it to a row echelon form. So here 4. So interchange the first row and second row so that you first row you will get 1 this row and first row is interchanged. So R1 is interchanged with R2. So 1, 5, 7, 13 you write it as the first row. 4, 3, 6, 25 you write as the second row and you are getting from this. So first number is 1 here. Then below that it should be 0 here and here it should be 0. For that you do this elementary transformation. Second row is obtained. From the second row you minus 4 times of the first row. Elements of the first row you multiply by 4 and subtract from the second row. So here it will become 0. This you multiply by 4 and subtract from this. So you will get minus 17 like that. 7 is to be multiplied by 4 and subtract from 6. So you will get this. Like that 13 is to be multiplied by 4 and subtract from 25. So you will get like this. Next row 3 is obtained. From third row you subtract elements of the first row after multiplying by 2 because here it is 2. So this you completely multiply by 2 and subtract from the corresponding numbers. 1 into 2, 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0 like that. Other elements also you multiply by 2 and subtract from this. So you will get like this. Then next here see this number. This number I have to make it a positive. So the elements of the second row is fully multiplied by minus 1. Similarly elements of the third row is also fully multiplied by minus 1. So this fully it will become positive numbers. This also will become fully positive numbers. Next I will make it here 1. That means this is to be interchanged. So here second row is interchanged with the third row. These two you interchange. So this 0, 1, 13, 25. Then this you write it as the third row. Next here I want 0 below this 1, 0, 0. Next 1. Here it should be 0. So this row fully multiply by 17 and subtract from the third row. So third row is obtained. From third row you subtract elements of the second row after multiplying by 17. So 0 into 17, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. So 1 into 17, 17, 17 minus the 17 it is 0. Like that this 13 is to be multiplied by 17 and subtract from 22 you will get to minus 199. Then 25 is to be multiplied by 17 and from the 27 you subtract you will get to minus 398. Now you can see 0 here 0. So again once again you can write here x coefficient is 0, here y 0. So minus, so from this we can write minus 199 z is minus 398. Starting from here, first you will write 1 x plus 5y plus 7z is 13. Then from here, coefficient of x is 0, so we can write like this. So this is coefficient of y, this is the coefficient of z, so 13. So y plus 13z is 25. Now here 0, so x is not there, y is not there, so minus 199z is minus 398. Now we are getting from this z, first from this we can get z, this z is equal to minus 398 divided by minus 199, so minus will get cancelled. Then 398 divided by 199 is 2. That value you substitute here, z is 2, you substitute here, 13 into 2, 26. So taking this to the other side, 25 minus 26 is minus 1. That x value and y value, z value and y value, you substitute in this. So you will get the x value. So your velocity of a rocket is approximated by this relation. Velocity is a function of time. Velocity depends on time. So v is equal to a t square plus b t plus c, where a, b, c are constants. T is greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than or equal to 100. Then when time is 3 seconds, velocity is 64 miles per second. When time is 6 seconds, 133 miles per second. When time is 9 seconds, 208 miles per second. Question is, when time is 15 seconds, what is the velocity? Then using this we can write 3 equations. In this expression, first you substitute for time 3. Velocity you substitute 64. When time 3 square is 9. Then this a plus t you substitute to 3. Then b plus c is 64. First equation. Similarly, second equation is obtained by putting 6. For this t you put 6. 6 square is 36 plus 36a plus, for this t you put 6b plus c is 133. When time is 6, velocity is 133. When time is 9 seconds, velocity is 208. For this t you put 9. 9 square is 81. Then a plus 9b plus c is 208. These 3 equations can be solved by Gaussian elimination method. For that, first you have to write the augmented matrix. Coefficient matrix is 9, 3, 1, 36, 6, 1, 81, 9, 1. Then you combine this constants with that. Then you will get the augmented matrix. In Gaussian elimination method, this is to be reduced to row echelon form by using elementary transformation. Here 9. So here and here we have to make 0. For that, this is to be multiplied by 4 and then subtract from this. So 9 into 4, 36. 36 minus 36, 0. Similarly, this row fully you multiply by 4 and subtract from this. So you will get this row. Similarly, here you have to make it 0. Here 81. So this is, if you multiply by 9, 9 into 9, 81. Then 81 minus 81, it will become 0. This row fully you multiply by 9 and subtract from this, you will get this row. Next, here all the numbers are negative. So you divide it by minus 3. Second row is obtained by dividing by minus 3. So minus 6 divided by minus 3 is 2. Minus 3 divided by minus 3 is 1. Minus 123 divided by minus 3 is 41. Similarly, this row is divided by minus 2. So you will get this row. Then from this elementary transformation needed is R3 is obtained by subtracting second row after multiplying by 9 by 2. Elements of this row you multiply by 9 by 2 and subtract from this. So if this is multiplied by 9 by 2, 2 will get cancelled and 9, and this 9 minus 9, it will be 0. Similarly, this number you multiply by 9 by 2 and subtract, so you will get minus half. Then this also you multiply by 9 by 2 and subtract, you will get minus half. The next elementary transformation is here. Third row, you multiply by minus 2. When you multiply by this by minus 2, it will become 1 and 1. Now, from this, you can write 3 equations. First, we change this to augmented matrix, and after the elementary transformation, you got like this. Now, you can come back to the equations like this. 9a plus 3b plus c is 64. Second here 0, so x term won't be there, a term won't be there, so 2b plus c is equal to 41. Then c is equal to 1. From this a is not there, b is not there, because here it is 0, so c is equal to 1. Now c value we got it, you substitute it here. So for the c you can put 1. So taking it to that side, 41 minus 1 is 40. So 2b is 40. So b is 20. Putting the value for b and c in this expression and solving, you get a is equal to 1 by 3. Putting that value in this expression, you can get the velocity as this. Velocity is equal to a, we can put 1 by 3. Then t square plus b. T we can for this b we can put 20. Then t plus c we can put 1. So we are getting the expression for the velocity. Then question is to find out the velocity when time is 15 seconds. So v is equal to 1 by 3 into, for this t we have to put 15. So 15 square plus 20 into 15 plus 1. 15 square is 225 by 3 plus 15 into 20 is 300 plus 1. Then this calculation is to be done. 225 divided by 3. So if you divide it, 75 plus 300 plus 1. So it is 376 miles per second. So when time is 15 seconds, velocity is 376 miles per second.